Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you how you make money without skills. By knowing this AI, you can create amazing podcasts and literally earn 500 to 1000 rupees each day. But it takes time to earn that amount. So do this method consistently and no one can stop you to make money from that. You may have one doubt that where I can sell the podcast. I tell you that you can sell it in Spotify podcasts and other similar podcast platforms. You can also become freelancer by creating the podcasts to your clients. If you want to become freelancer, then register in Fiverr or Upwork. You can also teach this method to other people like me or creating course and sell it in Udemy, etc. So these are some of the ways to make money from this. So let's start now. First of all, open your browser and search notebooklm.google. This is a Google AI tool. The link of this website also attached in the description, so check it out. So this is the interface of the notebook LM. It's similar to Gemini 2.0 that was also built by Google. So now click try notebook LM. You have to sign up to use. I already signed up, and this is a free website, so don't worry. At first, click create new. You need to add source to create podcast. There are various ways to upload source. First, you can upload Google Drive. You can also upload a link from website or YouTube. You can also have script in your notepad or something. You can also upload it by this. For the sake of the video, I have a website link, article link that based on cricket, because I am a huge cricket fan. So I take this article. So I'm going to do to copy the article link and paste it like this, and click insert button below. Now this is the script that are provided by AI. Now you can customize the conversations, but this AI creates only English speaking podcast, so that's a little bit disadvantage by using this AI. You can tell the AI where to focus on the podcast. That's all in this year. I'm okay with this, so let's click generate. It may take few minutes, so wait for it. You see the podcast that are generated. Let's see how it sounds.
All right, let's dive in. Today we're heading to the cricket pitch to figure out what makes Pat Cummins, the Australian captain, such a force.
Yeah, he's the easiest bowls, a slow best possible ball hit back to them by the batsman before.
You see the results? How is the podcast? Tell me in the comments. You can also add extra note or extra source by typing in the chat box and add it to your podcast. But notebooklm, that is this AI, can also be inaccurate, so double check the podcast and carefully and before selling it. You know what I mean? So after double
Okay.
check
It's
your
a pretty
podcast,
special dismissal requiring both.
click this three dot button and download like this. Yeah, that's all. You can also create this podcast and sell it to whatever that I told before. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Follow us on Instagram and Telegram to get future updates. See you soon. Goodbye.